And now let's have a chat to Stuart Williams from England. Stuart, congratulations on qualifying for the PBA. That must have been quite a performance.
Thanks, Keith. Yeah, it was. It's something I thought about only recently to try, and I decided to go out there and give it my best shot and see if I could play with the best bowlers in the world in the United States.
I believe that, what was the field, 70 something?
I know it was over 100 players, and then the top 8 made it.
So you came in 6th?
Yeah, 6th place, and yeah, it was. I don't know, it was pretty impressive from my point of view to make it.
Well, not only, I mean, you bowled 45 games, something like that?
Yeah, 45 games on 5 different patterns.
Yeah, I mean, the patterns must have been really difficult.
Yeah, I mean, apart from the first pattern, every pattern was extremely low scoring, and I think that's nice to see now and again. I mean, in Europe, I think the scoring pace is a little bit too high too often, but you know, it was nice to play on something a little bit different.
What about the future? You're going out there in August, I presume, for the World Series, and then will you stay out there for the whole of the PBA Tour?
Yeah. Well, I'll come back in August. I have the month of August in Detroit, and then I'll come back, and then there's one event in December, and then it's January straight through to April. So,
you're looking forward to it?
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. It should be great to finally try something like that.
What about coming up against Walter Ray Williams and Jason Couch and some of those well-known names?
Yeah, it'll be. I think it might be a little bit of a scary experience the first time, but fingers crossed. I mean, we've got some pretty good bowlers over this side of the pond, so we'll see how it works out. I
was talking to Michael Fagan a little bit earlier, and he said how much he enjoys bowling on the EBT events because of the social life and the friendliness among the competitors.
Yeah, it's certainly a lot less cutthroat in the European Tour than it is in the States, and yeah, I think that's more a nature of there's less people who are trying to bowl for a living over here. So we'll see. I think I'm going to welcome a change, so we'll see how it looks.
How will you live? Motel to motel, or rent a camper van or something?
I think it's going to be motel to motel, and I know a few people over there. So on the off weeks, I've certainly got a bed here or there to stay in. So.